Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, November the 24th, and it is 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is break number 418, which is a Rookie Anthology 2012-13. Brand new box. Give you the serial number before I open it, not like before. NE190595465. Alright. So I wish you guys good luck. So pack number one. There's a thick one here, base. Contenders Legacies for the Chicago Blackhawks, Stan Mikita. Numbered out of 999. Rookie Treasures for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Judry. Autograph, numbered out of 499. Base. For the Florida Panthers, Scott Timmins. Titanium bronze, autographed. Metallic marks. Base. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. And it's a Cup Contenders. For the Montreal Canadiens, Andrei Markov. Game 1 gear. Titanium. Base. For the LA Kings, Jarrett Stahl. Game 1 gear. Base. Panini Titanium Rookie, Brandon Bollig for the Chicago Blackhawks, numbered out of 100. base and base. Elite rookies for the San Jose Sharks, numbered out of 999. Tyson Sexsmith. Base. Pack number 7. For the Montreal Canadiens, Elite Great Outdoors Heritage Classic. Carey Price, numbered out of 500. Base. For Elite Rookies for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Jodry, number out of 999. Base. Pack number 9. Base. For the LA Kings, Hard Contenders, numbered out of 999. Ansei Kopitar. Base. And the last pack of this break, number 418. Base. Stanley Cup champions for the LA Kings, all the Kingsman, Mike Richards. Base. And the bonus pack. For the San Jose Sharks, Joe Pavelski. For the Montreal Canadiens, Brian Gionta. And we have a Prism rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sean Hunwick. Alright, so that's it for this break number 418. And on this break we got hits from Columbus, Sean Hunwick, Montreal, Brian Gionta, San Jose, Joe Pavelski, LA, Mike Richards, LA, Ansei Kopitar, Columbus, Andrew Jodry, Montreal, Carey Price, Tyson Sexsmith for San Jose, Brandon Bolig, Chicago, Jarrett Stoll for the LA Kings, Andrei Markov, Montreal, Phoenix, Oliver Ekman Larsen, numbered out of 999, Florida, Scott Timmons, autograph, Columbus, Andrew Jodry, autograph also, and Stan Mikita for the Chicago Blackhawks. Alright, so thank you very much for joining the break. I hope that you got good hits on this one. I don't know if you can see this card here. I just spot there's a little white spot over here and here. But anyways, thank you very much for participating and hope to see you on next breaks.